The OWC 2.0TB SSD Upgrade Bundle is a comprehensive solution for enhancing your 2012 to 2019 iMac with improved performance. With sequential read speeds of up to 540 megabytes per second, this SSD ensures fast data access and efficient multitasking. The bundle includes a 2 terabyte solid-state drive with a SATA 6 gigabits per second interface, providing ample storage and reliability. Designed specifically for iMacs with factory-installed hard drives or fusion drives, it ensures compatibility and optimal performance. The package comes with all necessary tools and accessories, making the installation process straightforward for do-it-yourself enthusiasts. Backed by a 3-year warranty and expert support, this bundle offers peace of mind and long-term value for iMac users.